thank you so much. We appreciate everybody that came to the Buy Here, Pay Here Super Forum. Met a lot of people that never met before and had a great opportunity to talk with them. Great vendors. But Ben, what were you getting out of this convention here?
Oh my gosh, Bill. So, hey, listen, echo what Bill said. Thank you very much for attending. This was a very well attended event. I think the feedback I've gotten has been super positive from all the dealers. Thank you to our industry partners that have been here with us as well. Really appreciate you. It's been a great event. The networking that we've been able to do here is just phenomenal. Oh, yeah. I think that is the best part of this. Great sessions, great workshops, but it's the networking at the bar. It's having a drink in the hallway. I just really love. Ed, what do you think?
I actually had quite a number of 20 group members here that I got to spend some time with away from their 20 groups, which was very nice. And I think it's probably one of the best things that a Buy Here, Pay Here dealer could do is to attend these conventions.
We appreciate everybody that attended. Look forward to you guys being at our June show in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. So thank you very much. Until next time, look for us. We're anywhere you need us to be.